Hi YouTube, this is 288 Pops over here, and today we got a special, man. Okay, this is free stuff, man. This is my holiday gift, my Christmas gift to you guys. We got hockey over here, we got football cards over here, college football cards, we got other football cards over here, like Danny Farmer over here. We got other football cards, you see, some nice ones, alright? Different teams. We got hockey. We got hockey, the Bruins over here, the Rangers. So we got minor league hockey, you know, and then we got the basketball over here. I'm just gonna flip the cards over, man. You know what I mean? These are oversized. These are oversized cards. So, you know, and all you have to do is subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. And if you already subscribed, all you gotta do is send me a message. Send me a message, a PM or whatever, a comment, whatever you wanna do. Just the first 25 person to do so will get a gift, man. So you gotta tell me if it's football, basketball, baseball, or hockey. Alright, on the baseball, here we go. We're gonna have these in the baseball. Nick Arkell, 2008. Okay. Matt Kemp, Alfonso Soriano, Jimmy Rollins, rookie card, Steve Holm, Seth Smith, Homer Bailey, King Lung Hu, rookie card. Okay. We got Phillies over here, Jimmy Rollins. Okay, the Rockies over here, we got Todd Felton. We got over here Hunter Pence, Astros. Mark Teixeira when he was with Atlanta, and we got the Diamondbacks over here represented by Brandon Webb over here. We got the Astros, Lance Berkman over here. Okay, and then Cincinnati we got Adam Dunn, and the Padres is represented by Jake Peavy, and Chicago Cubs, this is Derek Lee. So there you go, man. We got the football, man. The football over here. Just going through them. Okay? This is your choice, man. Whichever one you want, man. You know, just tell me if it's football, basketball, hockey, or baseball. You know, just subscribe or send me a message. The Fighting Irish over here. We got them too, man. Over here, man. Look. We got over here Joe Flacco, man. Nice, beautiful car, man. Look, nice. I'm telling you, brother. Alright, so this is my holiday gift to you guys, man. So the first 25 person to do so, and you gotta do it before the 22nd of December. Alright, just tell me if it's football, basketball, baseball, or hockey. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you have a nice holiday. And I hope you keep the spirit going, man. We gotta trade, buy, and sell. That's the policy, okay? So, put up with something, man, alright? So, just enjoy it. Have a good one. Take care.